How to delete old emails in Gmail. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your old emails from Gmail. For that, you will have to open any preferred web browser on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. On the address bar of the browser, you can simply type gmail.com. Then press enter to browse it. Once it loads, you will reach your Gmail account. Here, find the email that you want to delete. If you are facing trouble to find them, then you can click on this search bar at the top. There you can type before, semicolon, and the date of your emails. Once you do so, it will show you the emails before this date. Now press enter to search it. You will find all the emails before the date you have mentioned in the search bar. Now from here, find the message you want to delete. Once you have found the message you want to delete, hover your cursor over that conversation and at the right side you'll find the dustbin icon or the delete button. You just simply have to click on this delete button and it will move to your trash now. Usually deleted emails or conversations will be transferred to the trash list and after 30 days it will be permanently deleted from your trash list. Now if you want to delete that message right now, then you can go to the trash section now. For that, at the left side you will find this more option. Click on this more option and you will find some more additional options. From here you will have to click on this trash option and you will be taken to the trash section where you will find the conversation that you have transferred to trash a while ago. To delete this conversation, you can simply click on this empty trash now button right here. A dialog box will appear asking you to confirm your deletion. Go ahead and click on this OK button right here to confirm. Wait for a while and then you will see you have successfully deleted your conversation from your trash section too. So in this way you can delete old emails on Gmail. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any update from us. Thank you for watching.